Hi guys, I'm coming to you from southeast Georgia. We're on the South Carolina border. The Savannah River runs right by us. When Hurricane Helene hit our area, it was still categorized as a Hurricane 1. Our area has significant damage. People have lost homes, cars. We have significant damage to our home and to our property. Please just pray for all the people affected by Hurricane Helene. I can't even imagine the people who went through it as a higher hurricane. We have never witnessed anything like this in our area since I've been alive, and I've been alive a long time. That used to be a trail that you could access that's on our property. We had a little trail going back to the creek. You probably can't even tell a creek was ever back there, or is back there, I guess I should say.